Hey everybody, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous feed. Now, if you're watching this video, you've either A, already put a deposit down on the Tesla Model 3 in Australia, or B, you're about to do so. Either way, you're probably like me and thinking, how am I going to pay for this car? Well, today I rang Pepper Money. Now, prior to today, I'd never even heard of Pepper Money, so I'm not affiliated with them at all. I only called them because Tesla in Australia recommends that their customers call Pepper Money to get quotes for finance. So I gave Pepper Money a figure of $97,000, which is how much that car is going to cost me, my Model 3 order. And just keep in mind, all these figures are in Australian dollars, which is our currency down under. Now, this is minus a reservation fee of $1,500, and then minus a deposit I've already paid of $3,000. So it comes to a grand total of $92,500, which is the quote for the car for finance. So I asked for a 5-year loan, 60 repayments, so every month over 5 years that's 60, so 60 repayments, 60 payments, and they quoted me a 4.34% comparison rate. Now, just keep in mind, I did not tell them my personal or my financial situation, so they have no idea who I am. I could have been anybody off the street. In fact, I was anybody off the street. They told me this is a special Tesla rate. So if you call up Pepper Money, I'm sure that's the rate you're going to get at the time of this video. So this is the figure they quoted me with that comparison rate, $1,717.91. So that's how much I'm expecting to pay per month to finance my Tesla Model 3 with my order. So if you multiply that by 60, 1717.91 times 60, this is the figure you get, $103,074.60. So that's about, $10,000 more than this figure here if you finance your car over 5 years. And if you divide that figure by the number of days in 5 years, which is 365 times 5 years, plus 2 days for leap years, because it's between 2020 and 2024. So there's 2 leap years there. So 1,827 days. You will get a figure of, 103,074.6 divided by 1827. This is the figure here, $56.42. So that's how much my Model 3 is going to cost me every single day for 5 years for this purchase price for my red Model 3 reservation. 50, 5, and 1. So $56. Now obviously this is just a quote, but that gives me a rough idea of how much a Model 3 is going to cost me if I go through finance. $56. So I guess my question to you is, with that purchase price, because that seems to me like the most common car people are going to get, which is the performance Model 3 without the upgrade package. So I'll write that up here, so performance. Because that's a long range version. $56 a day. Can you afford it? Is it too much? Is it okay? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found a better deal through another company, another finance company, another bank, let me know, let everyone know, because I'm sure we'd love to know if there's a better deal out there. It will help make it easier to buy a Model 3. Please leave a comment as well. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!